Man, you guys are in for a treat. Puppy's first day outside. The puppy's first day in the back. Hi guys, what are you doing? Look at them all. Are you guys on Grandma Padge? Yeah, she's a good. Oh, it's okay, old big girl.
Easy, Bambi. You're your baby. Little horse just pulling on the gun.
This is wicked. Hey, buddy.
Good girl,
Oh man, Loki is just jumping at someone else is there too. Look at Onyx.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our first poop outside, Dolce.
Oh yeah, Dolce is the first poop outside. In the grass anyway. They all been on the patio.
Easy, Red.
Easy Red. Easy Red, huh? Big tumble paws. Daisy.
Look at honey Odin's,
Daisy's in there. There she is.
right on top of the pod. Honey, look at this. They're sitting on top of the pod too.
Oh, they love Podge. They rumble on her. Ever since we were giving them all steak last night. By the way, video watchers, all these puppies have had cucumber and raw steak. And a little bit of raw honey is okay. Very, very little. But it's actually good for allergies for dogs. Helps them with their local allergies, the natural honey, although you can only give them 1 tablespoon per day or less. I would suggest even less, unless they're having an allergic reaction. Oh, big Herky. You getting them, Herky? Is that your dad? You get your dad, Herky. Good boy. Hi, Odin. Odin. Hey, buddy. Aren't you cute? I bet everybody likes my baby boys. I know you guys want to see the babies. Oh, Dolce's got a big stick. Babe, she picked it up already, but she put it down now.
How'd you doing?
Look at your ears. Screwed up. Hey, babies. Hi, babies. Come on. Thor. Thor, what's he doing? This is their official first time in the backyard. And for now, these are all my dogs. There's 15 dogs there. Doesn't look like it. There is though. Red, you want a rope? Go get your rope. Go get your rope. Get it, guys. I'll put a new one there. Yeah, get it. The rope's back in action. Get it, boy. Ricky, come get this. What's this? Get it, Hoogie. Good boy. Good girl, Red. The youngest and the oldest, well, actually second oldest. That's her grandpa. That's grandpa and granddaughter. She had a bit of a skin condition, but she's clearing up nice. Hi, buddy. There's the mum. She's getting pretty thick these days. Starting to thicken up again. Hey, Ammo. Are those your babies, Ammo? Ammo. Look at me. Ammo. Ammo. What's this? Yeah, she's gonna ignore me right now. He's a really playful guy. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Oh, Loki's pooping outside. Hi, Onyx. Hi, guys. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, guys. Oh, another one came from the side. Yeah, good guys. Thor, come on, buddy. Come on, Thor. You doing your own thing, buddy?
Oh, no. Someone's rolling, honey.
Just in case you guys were wondering, that's Tech 9 in the background again.
Can't go to an animal. Someone's rolling and biting.
You getting him, Samu? Is that your baby? Flip her over. Ammo twisted her leg a bit when she was running yesterday. She really gives her a go. She's getting thicker again though, so that's good. And they got dogs, man. Oh no, they took out Podge. She's done. Oh, here she'll pop like Operation Game. Like that Operation Game. Pow! She's hilarious. She never really bites them, she just kind of pops at them. Good girl, Red, over there. Good girl. Thanks. Got my coffee. She's getting overwhelmed now. Look, he's pawing at her. This is a hell of a video. I told you. Puccino. Pop goes Podgy. This one, Peanut. Here's the birds. Hi, Peanut. Peanut's a very cute girl. Hi, Peanut. Yeah, that's nice of her. Look at her dipstick tail. She's looking good. I gotta run away from her. Oh, she will trip on the puppy. Oh, good boy.